What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in to another wig review. Before we get into this, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like, and of course, drop your girl a comment down below. Now, baby, let's get into this unit by Jurlishi Hair. I can't even tell you how excited I am for this unit. It has been a long, hot minute since I have done a deep wave texture. Jurlishi, thank you so much, honey. So, of course, big thank you to them for sending out this unit. She is about 95% dry. This is the 24-inch, I believe, that they did send me. And the curls are so popping, baby. First impression, just right off of the bat, the texture is really, really pretty on here. And I do believe that this is pre-plucked. It looks pre-plucked, sis. So I don't think I'm going to have any issues with the hairline. Now, I got a couple of gripes, but I'm going to see how this all works and meshes well before we actually get into that. I did take the liberty and I lightly dusted with my foundation 440 by Fenty along the hairline of this unit. The lace on here, baby, brown as can be. So if you are melanin complected, such as myself, I really don't think you'll have too much of a problem getting this lace to melt. So I will be doing two different styles with this baby. First one, I will be gluing down, and then the second will be glueless. So y'all ready? I am. Okay. She's pre-plucked-ish, okay? So I would definitely go through and I would definitely pluck out some hairs. You can wear this as it is, but for me, I would definitely go through and give some scalpation in this slayery. But anyhow, we still gonna make it do what it did. Alright, so check it. I tried, y'all. I seriously tried not to get the pluckety-plucking, but baby, this was given Planet of the Apes action. So I did pluck like just a little teeny bit out of this unit, and I actually stopped. Something just told me just put the tweezers down, and I'm glad I did.
Standing here looking out my window. Nights are long and my days are cold, 'cause I don't have you. How can I be so damn demanding? I know you said that it's over now, but I can't let it go. Every day I wanna pick up the phone and tell you that you're everything I need and more. If only I could find you. I could go somewhere after snow coming down the chimney. Like a wedding without a groom. I'm missing you, baby. Without the sun, alright. I'm the ring without a yes, I am missing you. Driving round, thought I saw you pass me. My rearview mirror's playing tricks on me, 'cause you fade away. Maybe I'm just hallucinating, 'cause my loneliness got the best of me, and my heart's so weak. Every day I wanna pick up the phone and tell you you're everything I need and more. If only I could find you. Alright now, I'm missing you. Cold summer day, snow coming down in June, like a wedding without a groom. I'm missing you, baby.
dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. It needs baby hairs. Just some subtle ones, but since she is shellacked to your girl's noggin. So I'm actually gonna go and try to break up the hairline. I'm just gonna use this simple eyeshadow brush, and y'all know. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, hey, so. Oh, 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 oh. All I wanna know is I told y'all, I've been practicing. So here we are, baby. Let's talk about this unit. First and foremost, I am so glad, so glad, so glad I did not pluck any more hair out of this hairline. Because baby, when it melts, sis, oh yes, she melts. This is definitely pre-plucked in my opinion. And I especially love the lace on here. If you are more melanin complected, such as myself, this lace is more on the brown side. This is a 13x4 unit, so you do have 13 inches going ear to ear for lace. It is 4 inches deep in the middle part, but not on the sides. So definitely be aware of that. Cap is a comfortable fit on here. No issues, baby. She is snug and she fits like a glove, but she is so comfortable. This really does not feel like a wig. And baby, you know when I pop out the she's, oh yes, she's a winner. And of course, this texture is everything's baby. We are talking chef kiss. So you saw it for yourself. I put some wand curls in here, and the curls have held up really, really nice. I have been wearing this unit for about maybe 8 hours, and I have not had any gripes, no concerns, no complaints about the texture. I like it a little bit more frizzy, so I did frizz them up a little bit. The hair is definitely thickalicious, baby. She is giving you volume. So the 13x4 was a little, the frontal was a little hungry, okay? So I did take some hair from the back and put it into this updo, and I still think it came together nicely. I can tell you now, I am feeling in the back. I can feel like 1 or 2 tracks, but because this hair is so thick, I really do not think you're gonna see it. And of course, yes, baby, she could be worn glueless. I don't want to make this part like long and drawn out, but I did notice a slight cast off with the lace, so I did add just a couple of subtle swoopity swoops and kept the hairline the same. Really didn't change anything. Now the only biggest gripe I have with this unit is this 13x4. I was unable to do a deep side part, so I did have to finesse it, kind of do a little faux part, if you will. But I think it came together nicely. I did get some shedding when I washed this unit. I'm not getting too much shedding right now. It is, you know, a little frizz-tastic here and there. But other than that, she has held up, baby. She has held up. Something noise. So big thank you to Jurlishii for sending out this unit. Definitely appreciate it. If you are interested in checking out this unit, definitely hit up the description box down below for full details. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in. If you are new, definitely subscribe to the channel on your way out. And of course, share the video with your family and friends. Most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.